Now, there are three situations that can come up when you're solving algebraic equations. You can come up with a situation where there is one solution to the problem, where there is no solution to the problem, or there might be infinite solutions to the problem. So let's check out. We'll start out with 8x plus 3 equals 35x plus 4x. Now we want to combine like terms, so let's combine the x's. We'll make the x's go away on this side by doing minus 4x. We have to do the same thing on the other side. So that gives us 8x minus 4x, leaves us with 4x plus 3 equals 35. Then we have to get rid of the 3, so we do minus 3 on both sides. And that gives us 4x equals, the 3's cancel each other out, 4x equals 32. Then to get rid of the 4, which is multiplying, we divide by 4, which is the opposite of multiplying, on both sides of the equation, and we get x equals 8. And see that x, the only thing that x can be is 8. So x in this circumstance has one solution. Okay, now let's check out our second. Okay, this time we have 6x plus 9 equals 8 plus 2 times 3x. And the first thing we need to do is simplify our problem, because we've got 2 times 3x on the right side and we need to simplify that. So we rewrite our problem. 6x plus 9 equals 8 plus 2 times 3 is equal to 6x. Now we want to simplify, combine like terms. So let's get rid of the 6x on this side. We have to put minus 6x on the other side too. Those cancel each other out and you're left with 0, which you don't write down. Bring down the 9, bring down the 8, and these cancel each other out and leave with 0, so you don't put anything down. And you come up with 9 equals 8, which is not true. So that means that for this problem there is no solution. If you come up with something that is not true, then there can be no solution to the problem. If you come up with 9 equals 8, 0 equals 1, 2 equals 3, whatever it is, if it's not a true statement, that means there is no solution to the problem. Now, this one is 3x minus 9 equals 4x minus 9 minus x. Let's combine like terms to simplify our problem first. So we'll write 3x minus 9 equals, and we've got 4x and minus x. That gives us 3x minus 9. Now if you notice, we have the exact same thing on both sides of the equation. That will be something that will help you take a shortcut in the future, but this time we're going to finish the problem out. Let's get rid of the 9 on this side. If we put positive 9 on this side, we have to put positive 9 on this side. And the reason we did that is because it's a minus 9 and we have to do the opposite. So those cancel either out, and we're left with 0, which we don't write down. We write down the 3x. These cancel each other out. They become 0, which we do not write down, and you write down the 3x. Now you've got to divide both sides by 3, because the opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. And you get x equals x. That means that x can be anything at all. So that means that when the number comes up to be x equals x, or 2 equals 2, or 4 equals 4, that means that there would be infinite solutions. So there are three types. You can have no solution, infinite solutions, or you can have just one solution.